Hey y'all, today I am going to talk about hand signals, motorcycle hand signals. It's something that we all should know. So before we even get started, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any other cool little things that, we should know and learn as being a motorcyclist. Again, I'm new. I've only been riding for a year, and there's so many things that I have learned along the way, and so I want to share them. So make sure you hit like and subscribe and come along with me on the journey. So this first signal is left turn. This is what you do for a left turn. This particular hand signal is a right turn, and I had it confused with stop, but this actually means right turn. Some people will also just poke their finger over to the right, This next symbol is for stop, and of course, watch the brake lights. This is what they use to say speed up. This symbol's for slow down. This is the hand signal you use to slow down. This is a follow me. This is for the person in front, for the person behind them. Come up front, you lead. This is a symbol for road hazard. You can either point at it, most people just use their foot, either the left foot or their right foot, depending on where the hazard is. And this comes in really helpful because you may not see it until you're up on it. This signals for single file. It's the one finger up in the air, not that special finger, just, one finger. You put two fingers up in the air, that's for double. That's when you're riding in a group and you have to go single file to allow the blockers or whoever to ride past, and then you go back to two lanes. This means comfort stop. So you put your fist out and just shake it up and down, and that's a, hey, gotta hit the potty. This is a refreshment stop. Sometimes people don't have a water bottle on their bike, or they need to stop for some water, something to drink, something to eat. This is my favorite. This is your turn signal is on. Seeing how most bikes, some special bikes do, my bike does not. If you leave your turn signal on, and it's just blinking away, and so people will, I've seen several different things. You put your hand out and stretch it out, all fingers out and back in, and like make a fist and then all the way out. I thought he was stretching his hand. I did not realize that meant your blinker was on until somebody told me. And then this is also another indication for your blinkers on, and it's the duck, which I didn't realize until I asked what was that. It's like your blinkers on. Apparently I now have an official biker name. It's Blinker. I will only give you one guess why. Okay, this symbol is pull off. We have to pull off the road. This symbol is for police are around, cops are ahead. I personally love to do it every time I see a cop. As I'm passing, I'm doing this. So, I don't know, I just think it's funny. And this one, pointing towards your fuel tank, is letting everybody else know, got to stop for fuel. Lets the person in front of you know, hey, we need to stop for fuel. I actually, one time, did not stop for fuel, was way out in the country, and almost ran out of fuel, and ever since then, I now have a little spare gas tank. I highly, highly recommend it. And I actually have a little video about that. I'll probably plug that on the end here. So that's all the hand signals for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you have any input, please, I am all ears. Put it in the comments down below. Please make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next adventure. See ya.